Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download WhatsApp status. So let's get started. First of all, open WhatsApp on your Android phone and view the status you want to download. Make sure you completely watch the status because it gets saved temporarily on your phone once you view it. Now, open your File Manager app and look for the WhatsApp folder. Inside the WhatsApp folder, tap on Media and then you will see a hidden folder called Status. If you do not see it, enable Show Hidden Files from your File Manager settings. Once you open the Status folder, you will find all the images and videos of the status you have viewed. Now, simply select the status you want to download, copy it and paste it into another folder like Downloads or Gallery to save it permanently. You can now access it anytime without worrying about it disappearing after 24 hours. And that's it. Now you know how to download WhatsApp status. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.